welcome to today's video. So today we'll be playing Dog Hotel Tycoon. And you can see I'm just upgrading my, well, I don't know what you call them. My like activity rooms. Yeah. I've played some, I've got pretty good off camera. As you can see, I got some puzzles and I have a grooming room, I got a pool. I think it's pretty neat. Yeah. And every time the dogs like do something, I get like money from it. And you can like upgrade the stuff with money so you can get more money. I think it's a very good game, and now I'm gonna go to the dog show and I'm gonna do running. So you have to try and like tap it on the white thing, and if you tap it and like the middle you get like a combo, and if you do a combo you get more points or your score goes up more. And you have to try and get like the biggest number as possible. But it gets faster and faster. I'm heavy breathing right now, I don't know why. It's so weird. Yeah. Still in my school right now. No! Dang it. And get a high score, but that's okay. I'm getting 20th in the daily score right now. I'm tired, jeez. Biggle, a British bulldog. British. I hope you enjoy my channel because I put effort into my videos for people to enjoy. And yeah, I had to remove my last video because of copyright claims, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to put it back up or not. I just have to get rid of music maybe. Not sure yet. Because it got picked up from the algorithm. Opening up to hopefully get a new dog breed or anything. Now we got money and new dog food. Pretty good. Oh my god. Sorry. It's not even that late. It's like actually it is late. Kind of. I know. It's not almost 9 o'clock. I'm looking at my 20-minute clock right now. Oh yeah. I might end the video soon. But yeah. Remember, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. You don't have to. It will just help my channel. Oh, hello battery warning. I might end the video here. So I hope you enjoyed my video and see you guys.